So in this VistaCreate tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to delete text here on VistaCreate. So once you have VistaCreate opened up on your device, first off, add some text into your design. So just go to the left-hand side here, press on text, press on add text to add some text into your design. So since we want to delete, I will just type in the word delete, and I will make the text a little bit larger in size so that it's easier for you guys to see. So once that is done, the simplest way to do it is just press on the text right here and press on the delete button on your keyboard, and it will delete it. Now if you want to, or else for example, your delete button doesn't work for whatever reason, just make the text a little bit larger in size. Press on the text right here, go to the top right to where there's this garbage can icon, press on that, and it will delete the text the same as it would be just pressing the delete button. So super simple, super straightforward. This is how to delete text here on VistaCreate. Thanks again for watching, and hope this video helps.